How to fix search bar on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily fix your search bar on TikTok. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, the very first thing you want to do is simply open up your TikTok app, and then what you want to do is head over to the search icon on the top right corner of your screen. And then from here you'll have the search bar, and if you are not able to use the search bar, then what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three lines to head over to settings and privacy, and you can try to log out of your account and log back in to see if that works. But if that doesn't fix your problem, go ahead and open up your phone settings, scroll all the way to the bottom and find your apps, and on your apps you're just going to search for TikTok and then hit enter. Once you find your TikTok application, just tap on it and then you're going to head over to storage, clear out its cache, or you could also try to clear out all of its data. And once that is done, head over to permissions and make sure all of the permissions are allowed. And finally, head over to the battery section, and here you are going to set this to unrestricted. After doing all of this, just force stop the app and then restart your phone. Try opening your app again and try to search on the search bar. Now it should start working. If you found the tutorial helpful, leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.